In the world of luxury performance sedans, one name has always stood out: Audi. And now, they're shaking things up with a bold new evolution of the S5 lineup. Meet the all-new 2026 Audi S5 Sportback. Not just a redesigned model, but a redefined driving experience that replaces both the S4 sedan and the previous S5 Sportback. With its dynamic silhouette, powerful engine, and cutting-edge tech, this is more than just a pretty face. It's a high-performance grand tourer for the modern driver. Audi calls it a sedan, but look closer. What you're really looking at is a sportback, blending the elegance of a coupe with the practicality of a hatchback. That means more cargo space without sacrificing style. With a sloping roofline and flared wheel arches, the S5 Sportback commands attention from every angle. From the aggressive S-specific bumpers and diamond-stitched grille to the striking quad exhausts and available full-width rear light bar, this car doesn't just say, "Look at me," it demands it. But beauty isn't everything. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi S5 packs serious punch. It's powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 362 horsepower, paired with Audi's lightning-fast dual-clutch automatic transmission and legendary Quattro all-wheel drive. With Quattro handling and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.5 seconds, this Sportback is built for thrills. Whether you're carving mountain passes or merging onto the freeway, the optional S Sport package ups the ante even further with adaptive dampers and a torque vectoring rear differential, giving drivers razor-sharp control and confidence in every curve. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends sophistication with innovation. A 14.5-inch infotainment screen dominates the center console, complemented by an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit behind the steering wheel. For those who want even more tech, there's an optional 10.9-inch passenger display, perfect for streaming, navigation, or entertainment. And comfort? Think Fine Nappa leather, massage seats, pneumatic side bolsters, and 4-way lumbar support, because every journey should be as relaxing as it is exciting. Whether you're flying solo or cruising with company, the S5 Sportback makes sure everyone arrives in style. Don't let the sporty looks fool you. This car knows how to carry more than just speed. The Sportback design gives you significantly more cargo room than a traditional sedan, making weekend getaways, road trips, or daily errands easier than ever. So when can you get behind the wheel? The 2026 Audi S5 Sportback is expected to arrive in US dealerships by mid-2025, with a starting price around $55,000, though that number may climb depending on your chosen trim and options. The 2026 Audi S5 Sportback is more than just a new model. It's a statement, a perfect harmony of power, luxury, and everyday usability. If you're looking for a car that delivers excitement, elegance, and efficiency, all wrapped in one stunning package, the new Audi S5 Sportback might just be your next favorite obsession. Thanks for watching! If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the S5 Sportback over the BMW 4 Series or Mercedes C-Class Coupe?